Hi, Stanosam. So here, drink the aloe with me. Yo, I was feeling my stomach is not good. No, this aloe is help when your stomach is not yourself. So, and the stomach you see is full of the poison in your stomach, or when you eat, you vomit. This aloe is help you so much. This kind of the aloe, So here I was remove the upper case. The upper case is of the aloe, then I use the inside, the below up, then I put in the water, then I sleep overnight and I drink following day. When I see it's not easy to drink, it's not easy. After 30 years I went again in the town. I will show you here my town. My town is a small person. You see this yard is a court, a magistrate court. It's a small person of the town. So I was come to try to zoom the Absa Bank. You see our Absa is look like the house of the person who is stay with the children. So it's like that, but we thank you because other banks is not insufficient in Tabankulu. So this one is the offices of Ingalo Yomthetho. The Gebradiers are there and colonels are there and sergeant. So in Jalo, you see we also have the donkeys who make window shopping in the town Mtasekai. So you see this is the shop of my town Mtasekai. It's a small town but it was not show all the town Mtasekai up. So small. You see we have the Dings shop up and a twin baby. The twin baby shop. So it's like that. Okay, bye.